Breakfast time for our morning game drive. Oh, there's strawberry yogurt. Some fruits. Sorry. So this morning we have potatoes and beans. Okay. Next menu, please.
Then we have
Oh, I love the mushroom
and roast vegetables.
Okay. Ano pong next menu?
And steamed cassava and gratin tomatoes.
Tomato. What's this? A soup?
Porridge.
In short, lugaw. Let's go to... So,
Waffles.
we have waffles.
This one is Indian food. Dal.
I think kailangan ko magbaon ng boiled egg. And then this one.
And chicken nuggets. Oh, nice. Oh, French toast.
Yeah, eggs.
Eggs.
Here, flip my egg. There's bacon.
Benson.
Yes. How are you? Like almost pink.
Mm-hmm.
You know they are made.
Spotted some wildebeest. Oh, ito naman alone siya.
That one is
There.
it has the fifth leg.
The bird.
Look at the patutoy of the zebra.
Oh.
It's long and thick.
Oh,
Call it
diba?
the fifth leg.
Else,
Predators, yeah.
they'll be
That's why
gone.
You find them sleeping like you find they started sleeping around 6.
Oh my goodness. I'm wearing a cheetah right now.
Remember yesterday we were talking about it?
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Look at that one. Oh my god. Oh. Patuin ko kaya yan. Oh my god, that one. Yes. So pretty. Oh my god. Look at that face card. Look here. Look here. Oh my god, yes. Ipinatawag ko kayong lahat upang ipaalam sa inyo na sa oras na ito, kailangan nyo na lumisan sa aking lupain. Dahil kung hindi, kayo ay magiging mga leather bags, leather wallet. So we spotted some lioness. Like that one is coming on this way. She is walking so gracefully.
And we have some. Is it buffalo or elephant back there?
You can hear the gulp of her ano, no, sa pag-inom mo. Eat the bird, eat the bird. Her friend is somewhere there.
In the middle.
Oh, diba? Where's the male? Hinarangan naman nila ko. Ito niya ibang mga friends niya. Siya, in the meantime, talaga naman, uhaw na uhaw o back. She's going back to her friends. Look at the baby elephant. Oh my god, it's so small. Oh. Charot. Arte. Ganun, Roy. Di pa nagsawa sa elepante sa Thailand, sa Sri
Babies
Lanka.
too, yeah.
Yeah, like 4 months, right?
Like 3 or 2.
Months?
Yeah.
Oh my god, yeah. There's also here.
That one is the auntie?
They're all female.
The auntie, yeah.
Where's the daddy?
The dad is missing in action.
Same as yours.
Where's the daddy, man? Where's the daddy?
Dad is missing.
So, the reality is, merong mga lion somewhere there. And then, sa side namin, merong mga buffalo. So, we are waiting na yung lion is mag-attack sa mga buffalo. Because sabi nung guide, the lion will go to the buffalo.
They are moving. Yeah.
So, they're moving now. So, we're just waiting here, waiting in vain. And just like that, we are stuck in the middle of the whatever it is. Ayan. Oh my God, we're so stuck. Help! Somebody help us!
Any luck?
Got it?
Another herd of elephants.
Yeah, they're having some water. And then because it's a bit hot, they're flushing themselves with the mud.
Yes.
Cool off,
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, there's a baby one. They're too small. Hi ostrich, can you be my bag?
They may lose their on top of the horn because of something we call necking. That is how they fight for their women.
Oh.
Yeah. And then the male looks like it has that horn on the forehead, yeah?
So the male is the one, the last one.
Yeah, the last one. It's bigger,
Taller.
taller. It has like a that horn on the forehead, it has big horn.
Titingin pa.
So tall. Oh my goodness. So beautiful.
Mari, nag-stop pa siya for you.
Back.
Back. Aura. Okay, done.
The giraffe said, "Oh, that's my spirit human."
Oh, that's my number one fan.
No, that's
There's a group of lions sleeping under that bush. So, most likely pag ganito mga oras, tulog talaga sila.
Oh, is it?
Kasi GY ang shift nila eh. We are so close. So this is eland, one of the species of antelope,
The biggest actually.
the biggest one. Look at that fatty neck and sharp horn.
Yeah.
There's a bird. Look at that muscle. Oh my goodness. Batak na batak sa gym bakal.
Look at the Adam's app.
The hunt.
To my students.
Oh,
I
the
taught them
vulture.
about the vulture.
In the middle of the bush,
Yeah.
we are preparing our lunch spot here.
Yeah, that's true.
Talaga naman.
Oh.
So fancy.
Alright.
Yeah, around together. Just return it back.
Oh,
Marang pa to, lapad ng katawan. Let's open what's in. Unboxing our lunch in the middle of Masai Mara. Oh, there's a fruit. There's a chips, cheese. What's this? Berry cocktail yogurt. Peanuts.
Nice.
What is this? A rice? Is it a rice? And
Oh,
yeah.
this is a nice picnic.
You're not invited. Oh my god.
Is it going
You want
to,
some
like,
food?
want to eat our food?
My god, it's so close. So this is the Mara River. Wherein usually yung Great Migration happens, but right now,
Yung kay, kay pangalan nito?
Karen
Carol
Davila.
David. Dito
Yeah.
ba yon?
Karen Davila.
Oo. Yung kay Karen nga. Dito yon.
so there's some hippo sunbathing while doing a
Let's try a
siesta.
better view.
Look, there's a crocodile. My god.
Which spot it is.
This place is so amazing. So diverse ng wildlife talaga.
Here we have a type of a crocodile we call Nile crocodile.
So that one is a Nile crocodile. Oh, in the Philippines, we have so many crocodiles.
Wearing
You can
uniform.
see it in the Senate, in the Congress, or even in the Malacanang Palace. Hippos.
A balloon safari guy just called again. He's saying it's going to charge you 400.
Oh.
Did I tell him you just fast?
Yes.
Daming girl.
Parang galit siya.
Naistorbo siya syempre.
Parang galit siya.
Can you roar?
Don't be angry, please.
Can you roar, please?
Don't be.
Ay, kumain.
one, two, the other.
Is she going to kill someone?
Ay, yung bintana niyo.
Girl, bilisan mo daw.
Oh, bagal ng ate
Meron na ba
girl
isa?
eh.
Yun, oh.
Mari, naka-video ka ba?
Yes.
Yun na siya, palapit na siya. OMG. OMG. Ang ganda. Oh my gosh!
Where is it?
Tingin ka to sa gitna ng mga chorba.
There.
Oh shit. Are they meeting? Are they gonna meet?
No, they're both girl. Ano?
Okay.
Siyambolan.
Sorry. Chivoli.
Pulasan na ang mga tropa after makakita ng leon.
Mga tropang mga...
One thing a plan is they didn't
Oh, I want them to eat kumba.
Ulasa na mga...
I wanna see the kill.
They Kuko plated.
I wanna see the kill.
Kuko plated somewhere.
Nasaan na siya? It's in the tree somewhere there. Daminger. Oh my God.
Is it me you're looking for? Ah, it's a female kasi may boobs. Yeah.
Oy, ang bagal mo, yung sisi mo naghihintay na sa'yo, oh. Ikaw, babagal-bagal ka maglakad eh.
Himatlugin.
Siguro may gout to.
Hinihingal na ako.
Galit na si Sisi, oh, nag-walk out na. Bagal mo eh.
Ang taba niya. O, tayo mo nakatapwet.
We are waiting for the kill. So merong isang wildebeest na mag-isa running towards dun sa dalawang lioness. So sana, hopefully, the wildebeest is ma-dead nila. That's what I want to see.
Stop.
Sana, the wildebeest stop there.
Hindi pa yan, tatakbo pa yan.
She's tired and then the lion is somewhere there.
There.
I don't know.
One.
There's two lions.
One.
Stop there na, wildebeest. It's your day to die. The lion is moving.
Can just decide to work together.
Where's the other lion? The wildebeest is...
Let's go po.
Let's see.
Lumalayo na naman yung wildebeest eh. Well, this one is sneaking around. Ito pala yung isa. Very tactical ang mga leon. Oh my goodness. Ito ang tinatawag na
Other one is on the
team
right, other one
effort.
is on the left.
Taray, correspondent. She was waiting for the best time to kill. Uy, te, huwag mo hanapin. Dito na yung kasama mo.
Oh my God.
Iba rin to. Lamon na lamon na. Lamon naman pak. Eye on the prize. Eye on the prize. There she goes. The wildebeest is somewhere there. Oh my goodness. There no pantay na. Look at that one. Eye on the prize.
There, there.
The wildebeest is running.
There, there,
Oh
there,
my
there.
God!
Oh my God, there, there.
I can see it.
Can see.
Shh! They got it.
You got it.
Leo. They got it.
Then,
Bon appetit. The wildebeest is dead.
naharangan na tayo ng mga sasakyan.
That's the kill, the cycle of life in the wilderness.
Got it?
Okay.
Somebody wanted a kill, there it is.
Another species of antelope, waterbuck.
What about this?
So this is a female.
Yeah, there's a female.
And then the one with the horn over here is a male. And there's Pumba.
Pumba is kneeling down to get to the shortest.
Oh yeah, he's kneeling. Look,
Yeah,
he's eating.
he's getting the short grass. He has to kneel down.
Look at us, so macho naman this.
And we have some Thompson's gazelles.
Also this one, Thompson gazelle and
Oh, and the
zebra.
baby, newborn.
Where?
Pumba. Next to Pumba.
Oh, so small.
Baby Pumba. Oh, running, arte.
Yeah, that's
So on this side is Masai Mara,
Yeah.
which is part of Kenya.
yeah.
And on the other side is Tanzania, Serengeti. As you can see, international boundary, no entry into Tanzania.
Yeah.
But, well, I'm here in Tanzania. So big. Look at the giraffes. Ay, the giraffes. The zebras.
It hunts mostly bats and rats. Yeah?
Your eyes are so sharp.
Yeah, I have to so that I can show you the world.
Can you show me the moon?
Oh, also dotted, huh?
Yeah, also noted.
But it's a small one.
Yeah,
Is it a family of cheetah or
Yep.
something?
Your part?
family of cats.
But this one is a wild cat.
Yeah, called as sabotage.
Sabotage. Sabotage?
Is he doing the kill also?
Maybe
Looking for a
hunting
kill.
something. Maybe hunting
Cute. I like this one as a pet.
For
Ano mo
bats.
yan? Iuwi mo?
No, maraming ganyan na nagkipet na.
Ay, hindi nga.
Oo. Back for dinner. Same table as usual. So it's table 18. Oh, I love table 18. Oh, they have now some smoothies. So let's see what's on the menu. This is some fruits. Pau fruits like papaya, diba? Passion fruit. Ano to? Pineapple. This is almond pudding. Nauna yung dessert. We have no pasta corner.
Mushroom?
We have red sauce, white sauce, and I don't know the other one. Grilled lamb chops. I'll get that later.
White sauce. White sauce.